If you're seeing a Base44 Decode issue, I'm going to show you the quickest way to troubleshoot it step by step. This is a simple fix guide for two common problem types, a data decoding error and app or platform errors. Make sure to follow along carefully, and if this helps, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. First, if your issue is a data decoding error, the very first thing you should check is whether the URL is correct. A wrong or broken URL can cause the decode process to fail, so take a close look at the link and make sure it's entered exactly as it should be. If there are any extra spaces, missing characters, or incorrect formatting, fix that first and try again. Now, if you're dealing with an app and platform error, the fix is a little different. Start by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Delete T on your keyboard. This opens the browser's Clear Browsing Data window. From there, clear your cookies and cache. Old cached files and stored cookies can interfere with how Base44 loads, so clearing them often resolves the problem quickly. After that, open a new Incognito window by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and in end. In the end, this lets you test Base44 in a clean browser session without using your saved cookies or cache. Once the Incognito window opens, go back to Base44 and check whether it is working properly. If it loads correctly in incognito mode, that usually means the issue was related to browser data, and clearing cookies and cache should help fix it. So to recap, if it's a data decoding error, verify the URL. If it's an app and platform error, clear cookies and cache with Ctrl, Shift, Delete, then test Base44 in incognito mode with Ctrl, Shift, and NIT. These steps solve the most common decode and platform issues fast. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.